Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to set custom notification sound. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter sounds and haptics, and now you can select new notification sound for the text tone, new voicemail, new mail, send mail, calendar alerts and reminder alerts. Simply select one of this section, go to Tone Store, More, Purchased, Music, and select your custom sound from the purchased music. Also you can go back and enter downloads. Sometimes you'll have the option under the Tone Store to download all purchased music. If you tap on it, all of your sounds will appear right here on the list. Simply select it, go back and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.